Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable CapCut brand kit colors for consistent motion graphics. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable CapCut brand kit colors for consistent motion graphics, open the CapCut application on your device. Once you are on the main screen, locate and tap on the New Project button. Choose a video clip to start your project. Next, tap on the Text button at the bottom of the screen. In the text menu, select Add Text to insert your desired text where you want it on the video. After adding your text, tap on it to access the editing options. Look for the color option in the editing toolbar. To access the brand kit, scroll down until you see the Brand Kit tab. Tap on the Brand Kit tab to open it. If you haven't set up your brand kit yet, select Create Brand Kit and input your brand colors. You can add multiple colors by entering their hex codes or selecting them from the color spectrum. After your brand kit is created, return to your text layer. With your text still selected, tap on the color option again. This time, select your brand color from the brand kit you just created. Once you've applied the brand color to your text, adjust the size and position as needed. If you have additional elements like shapes or overlays, repeat the process to ensure consistency. Make sure to review the entire animation in the preview screen. Adjust any elements that do not match your brand kit colors. When satisfied, move on to adding other animations or effects to enhance your motion graphics. Finally, save your project by tapping on the Export button to finalize your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.